YouTube, listen to CM2 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own cheap airsoft grenade that's really effective. You'll need very little tools to complete the grenade. You'll need .12 airsoft babies. Don't use any high grade .2s, .25s for it because it's cheap. You'll need some shears or a knife. You'll need your Easter egg, which is just gold. I would spray paint it. You need an M1, M80, or I use an M150. It's really big, packs a punch, and you'll need some Scotch tape. Okay, what you do, you take your Easter egg, you get the top of it with your knife or scissors. You just make a little hole in the top, which should take a few seconds. Okay, once you've gotten a nice little hole, take off the excess, or try to. Alright, I just needs the hole for the fuse. Alright, once you do that, you take your babies, fill both ends of the eggs with babies, but you put this in first. You put it through your little hole, and you try to get an even spread all around it. Alright, once you do that, you get your two parts, just simply put them together. You could use it like this if you're like CQB, but if you're going to throw them long distances, you get your tape and tape all around the edges. I didn't have any small tape. You can use small tape and do it a whole lot quicker than this. And you just tape it all around the edges. Last piece. And that's just how you make your very own cheap airsoft grenade.